are pleased to show you the 2019 Ford F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, bed liner, electronic stability control, fog lights, security system, compass, power windows, heated steering wheel, rear window defroster, trip computer, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.